Hello, welcome to IT Expert YouTube video series. Today we are going to talk about Java interview questions. What is a Java? Java is a general-purpose programming language that is class-based, object-oriented and is very popular. Java is fast, secure, and reliable. From laptops to data centers, game consoles to scientific supercomputers, cell phones to the internet, Java is everywhere. Java can be used for developing Android apps, creating enterprise software, and used for server-side technologies like Apache, JBoss, Glassfish, etc. What are some Java features? It is one of the easy-to-use programming languages to learn. Write code once and run it on almost any computing platform. Java is platform independent. Some programs developed in one machine can be executed in another machine. It is designed for building object-oriented applications. It is a multi-threaded language with automatic memory management. Facilitates distributed computing as it's network-centric. What is inheritance in Java? The process by which one class acquires the properties and functionalities of another class is called inheritance. Child class, the class that extends the features of another class, is known as a child class, subclass, or derived class. Parent class, the class whose properties and functionalities are used, inherited, by another class, is known as the parent class, superclass, or base class. Is a relationship, parent class keeps shared/common methods and child class keeps specific methods. What is JDK? JDK is a software development environment used for making applets and Java applications, also known as Java Development Kit. The JDK contains a private Java virtual machine, JVM, and a few other resources such as an interpreter/loader, Java, a compiler, Havats, an archiver, jar, and a documentation generator, Javadoc, etc. to complete the development of a Java application. What is exception in Java? An exception is an event, which occurs during the execution of a program, which would disrupt the normal flow of the program's instructions. When an error occurs within a method, the method creates an object, also known as an exception object, and hands it off to the runtime system. Reasons an exception would occur: invalid user input, device failure, loss of network connection, physical limitations, out of disk memory, code errors, opening an unavailable file. What is a class in Java? A class is a template that describes the data and behavior associated with instances of that class. When you instantiate a class, new class, you create an object that looks and feels like other instances of the same class. Important elements of class in Java is modifiers. A class modifier dictates the type of access a class can have, which can be public or have default/private access. A public modifier allows a class to be accessible from within other classes, while default prevents it. Class keyword. The class keyword creates a class declaration needed for the compiler to identify the creation of a new class. Class name. The name should begin with an initial letter, capitalized by convention, and the standard is for the class file name and class name to be the same. Superclass. The name of the class's parent, superclass, preceded by the keyword extends. A class can only extend, subclass, one parent. Not all classes will have a superclass associated with them. Interfaces. A comma-separated list of interfaces, static constants and abstract methods, implemented by the class, preceded by the keyword implements. A class can implement more than one interface. Body. The class body is surrounded by braces, which identify the body of the class. The body of the class is where the behavior, interfaces, and actions are defined. What is the difference between C++ and Java? C++ and Java are only similar in syntactical comparisons. Java is multi-threaded. Java has no pointers. Java has automatic memory management, garbage collection. Java is platform independent. Java has built-in support for comment documentation. Java has no operator overloading. Explain encapsulation? Is a process of wrapping code and data together into a single unit. The variables of a class will be hidden from other classes and can be accessed only through the methods of their current class. To achieve encapsulation in Java. Declare the variables of a class as private. Provide public setter and getter methods to modify and view the variables' values. Thank you for watching this video. We provide hands-on training with labs, homework, group projects. Prepare you for the certification. Provide real projects. Internship opportunities. Support you in Resume, LinkedIn. Staffing support. Provide tech references. In-person, online class. Class retake options and more. Call us at 847-350-9034 for your free career consultation meeting. Please do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for the latest videos.